Hi, I'm Barbara and I'm part of the Presago team. I'm here to show you how to install and use Replio. If you are already familiar with how to install apps from the Marketplace, or if you have someone who does it for you, then you can skip the first part of this video. Otherwise, stay with me. We'll take a look at how to install Replio first and how to use it afterwards.
Alright, let's start by visiting the Atlassian Marketplace and typing in Replio. Select the Replio app. You will land on the Replio listing page. From here, you can click on Get It Now. And again, Get It Now. You have successfully installed Replio on your Jira instance. Let's activate it on your collaborative platform. Click on Configure. If you're using Slack, just click on the button Add to Slack and you're good to go. If you're using Teams instead, click on Download Package. A zip archive will be downloaded. Let's open Teams and click on As. Select Upload a custom app and upload for your organization. Choose the downloaded file. At this point, the app Replio will have appeared, so you can click on it. And finally, click on Add. Replio is now ready and we can start interacting. If you're new to Replio, you can ask, "What can you do for me?" or type "Help." Replio will give you an overview of its functionalities through a drop-down menu. You can either select one of the options or keep interacting in natural language. But first things first, let's connect to Jira. Replio will ask you for the URL of your organization. Make sure to copy-paste it rather than type it. Click on the link provided by Replio. A new tab will open in your browser. Your Jira instance is now connected to Replio. So let's close this tab and go back to Teams. One of the things that we most frequently need is the list of our issues. So I'll ask Replio to show my issues. I'll select the project I'm interested in. And there we go. These are the issues assigned to me. Now, I want to write a comment on one of my tasks, so I can ask Replio to do it for me. I can write comment and the name of the task, or also write a comment. Now I've completed one of my tasks, so I want to transition it to done. I can ask Replio to change the status of one of my tasks and select Done in my drop-down menu. If I want to log my work on the same issue, I can just say log work and add the amount of time I've worked on that specific issue. Now, assume I want to create a new issue and assign it to someone in my team. I'll just tell Replio to create one. And let's assign it to Andrea. That's it.
Alright, so that was a quick tour of Replio's functionalities. Of course, I've shown you how I interact with Replio, but since it's powered by AI, you can interact with it in a slightly different fashion. You don't need to memorize commands. Well, if you like Replio, follow us on our social media for news and updates. And should you have any problems, drop us a line. We're always here to help. Well, that's it from me. Thanks a lot for watching, and we hope you enjoy Replio.